Welcome to day 15. We've grown so much over the past 2 weeks. Growth requires rest, and expansion needs ground to stand on. So today is your inner spa day, a moment to slow down and allow everything you have done to settle and harmonize inside you. This isn't a break from the journey, it is part of the journey, a crucial step of staying balanced as you continue expanding. Today is about honoring your need for rest and nourishment. No need to analyze or fix anything, just be and let the higher light to do the work. Let's do it together in meditation. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. Let your breath soften. And close your eyes. Take a slow, gentle breath in and exhale. Let's do it again. Inhale gently through your nose. Exhale fully through your mouth. And again, inhale, exhale. Now, imagine a gentle waterfall of nourishing blue light, beginning to pour softly from above you. This light has a presence. It feels like a touch of an angel, loving, delicate, full of grace. It begins to flow over the top of your head, down your face, across your shoulders and chest, down your arms, your back, and your legs. This light isn't just touching your skin, it's moving into your energy field, bringing harmony to your body, soothing your nervous system, and gently integrating all you've experienced. Let yourself be restored by this light. Let it hold you in safety. Let it fill you with peace. Stay here for a minute, soaking in this divine light. Now the light begins to gently fade, but its healing power remains within you. A quiet home of balance and care. Take a breath, feel the presence of your body, the steadiness of the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take one more nourishing breath, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Throughout the day, give yourself time to rest, and you will find that your light shines even brighter. See you tomorrow.